I have with me Hemant Mehta, who was an eyewitness, who was standing just 100 feet away from the spot where the blast took place. Hemant, just describe what you saw, what was the time, and what happened.
Well, the time was something post 6 p.m. and initially what happened is the sound was so deafening and it seemed that the sound came from somewhere upstairs. So the entire crowd, somewhere in the tune of thousands of people, their eyes was focused on the top because everyone thought that it is probably a huge cylinder blast, or probably because of the very heavy rainfalls there has been a slab fall. But within the next 120 seconds, bodies were dispersed everywhere and people ran, and the panic for the next 120 seconds is something which words are insufficient to describe. Right? In fact, there was a sure shot chance of a stampede happening right there itself.
We know about this area, Hemant, that this is a very busy hub. This happened just stone's throw away from the diamond market, which is one of the most important areas of Mumbai. What was the scene like? What is usually the surroundings at this point in time, at around 7:10 when the blast took place?
Well, this is pretty obviously one of the busiest areas of Mumbai, and the diamond market is one of the most thriving business and the kind of an you can say a small epicenter of Mumbai's economy. So you always find people on the streets, business happens on the street, goods are exchanged on the street, money is exchanged on the street, and right at the place where the people of the market, the who is who of the market, people who are common, who spend almost half their day or probably 12 hours to 15 hours at those very spots, on those very streets, were all conducting their regular business in the hope that the day will pass on as usual. But probably there was some other story which fate had decided today.
Hemant, you told me that you usually don't come to this area. What brought you over here, and what could you just revisit the site which you saw at that point in time?
Well, I had come here for some kind of personal work and was scheduled to meet someone near the diamond market, right? And as a result of which, I was standing over there and I had just finished having a cup of tea. And probably I would say that I was just fortunate enough because I was probably, I would say, 100 or 150 feet away from the scene. And as told before, the sound is still ringing in my ears. It was absolutely deafening. It was absolutely deafening, and people say that they heard the sound right up till here. Right up till here. People have even come out of houses out here. If you could just put your camera, this is going to be something like, around 1 kilometer away, right? But the sound still came right up till here.